Hi everyone! Are you ready to learn some Japanese today? In this video, we'll cover 10 essential nouns related to people that you can use in everyday conversations. And at the end, you can test your memory with some flashcards. So make sure to stick around till the end. First, let's start by checking the reading and meaning of the vocabulary. Then we'll use flashcards to review to see if you remember the meanings of the word. How much can you remember? Let's give it a try. Let's start. Sensei, sensei. Teacher or instructor. 学生、学生。Student. 子供、子供。Child. 友達、友達。Friend or friends. 家族、家族。Family. 男、男。Man or male. 女、女。Woman or female. 日本人、日本人。Japanese person. 外国人、外国人。Foreigner. 社員、社員。Company employee. 先生、学生。子供、友達。家族。男、女。日本人。外国人。社員。How did you do with the flashcards? I hope you feel more confident using today's noun in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Japanese lessons. Do not forget to share sentences using the word you learned today in the comment. See you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Green 国語オンラインスクール